kasalanan. Panahon na gumising, hawak mo ang susi sa mundo. Sumama para sa lahat ang biyaheng ito. Hanapin ang hamon ng pag-asa. Hanapin ang hamon ng bagong simula. Pangarap mo'y kusa na lang matutupad. Ngayong handa ka nang lumipad. Ngayong handa ka nang lumipad. 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 Ngayong handa ka nang lumipad.
And you have said earlier, you expect no pay, you expect no compensation.
Yes.
But there is compensation. What? Delivery of good governance is compensation. Delivery of a healing leadership for this country. Delivery of basic educational reform for our poor. Healthcare reform, which is coming prior to a developing country. Let me say, look at President